Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check graphic card video memory VRAM in Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Knowing how to check VRAM in Windows 11 can help you set your expectation on the capacity of your computer to render images. Your VRAM video random access memory should not be confused with your RAM random access memory. Yes, they both deal with short-term file storage, but there are many differences. Your RAM stores data for your central processor while VRAM stores data for your graphic processor. So how to check your VRAM? It's very simple. First of all, I have three ways. So first, you can just click right on your desktop like this. Now you can go to display settings. And here you can just scroll down. You can go to advanced display. On your internal display section, there is an option display adapter properties for display 1. You can just select on that. So in here, you can see your VRAM of your laptop or PC. It's very simple, right? You can check like here's your chip type, DAC type, adapter string, and here's the system video memory, dedicated video memory, and total available graphic memory. I have like 8 gigabyte. And here's your other specification. And or you can check your VRAM in here. You can just go to text bar, so you can just click right on your start menu, select on task manager. From task manager, you can go to performance, and in here your performance, you can check your CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, GPU, and your GPU 1. Here's your GPU 1, your VRAM. You can check in here. It's very simple, right? And also, you can check your specification VRAM on the XDX. So you can search on your search bar on your text bar, DX, DL. You can type like this. So you can see your full specification of your device, PC or laptop. Here's your system specification and also display 1, where you can check your VRAM, and display 2 here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your VRAM, how to check your graphic card video memory on your Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.